Hi, this is Kate, and I am totally obsessed with dogs and totally obsessed with bags. Yes, we have a new member to our little trio. I have Chalupa, of course, right here with her new little brother, Coco. And we have Carmelita, who is running around as well. So we'll see how this video goes with them squeaking in the background. Yo vivo en Arizona y todos mis perros hablan español. Coco, Carmelita, and Chalupa. So welcome to Totally Obsessed with Bags, where we are also totally obsessed with dogs. Today I'm opening something that I got from The Real Real. I, as always, am not sure what it is. I'm not sure the exact condition. I'm not sure if I will like it. And I'm here to show it all to you. For those of you who are just tuning into my channel, the main consignment site that I use when I'm not buying a bag straight from the shop is The Real Real. And I have many videos where I talk about the pros and cons of The Real Real, mistakes I've made in the past with them, as well as tips and tricks that I now use to make sure that I'm getting one, a good bag, and two, a good deal. So this came obviously in the mail from our good friends at UPS, and let's see what is inside. Sometimes the bags that you'll buy from The Real Real have the boutique or the designer box. Sometimes they just have the dust cover. Sometimes they have neither. This looks like the actual brand's dust cover, but let's wait and see. And in fact, it does. So now I know what this is based on the brand. Here is a Gucci bag that I am very, very excited to open with the Gucci dust cover right here. Okay. This, I think, might be the first time that I've actually seen The Real Real put this little piece of tape on it. I'm not mad at it. When you buy handbags from The Real Real, they are not returnable. They're final sale. So I'm not exactly sure the purpose of this, but no big whoop. And here's the dust cover. And let's see. Ooh, I am excited about this bag, you guys. The last bag that I opened for you, I believe, was another bag from The Real Real, the denim Chanel bag. And I was doing that on my way to a barbecue. And I'm opening this bag on my way to a Bravo night with my girls. And I think I'm going to use this bag. I do try to open my bags from The Real Real faster in case there is something really wrong with it and I want to dispute it or try to get a refund. Like with a shop where if I buy it overseas, I'm not returning it. Or if I buy it in the United States, I have at least 30 days. But enough chit chat. Let me show you all what I got. I love this. This is a Raffia Gucci Marmont bag. Chalupa and Coco are squeaking with joy over this bag, and so am I. I could not be more excited about this, and let me tell you a couple of the reasons why. Okay, I love handbags, as you guys know, and I love what I love. I do not claim to know everything that there is about handbags. I don't claim to know things about designers that I don't frequent. I don't always have the right word for the fabric or the material or even the parts of the bag. But it was only this past 6 months that I learned the term raffia, which is the straw or the woven material. And how I found out about raffia is I was at the Chanel store and there was a bag that I was contemplating getting for my birthday. You know, I ended up getting the pink mink capucine from Louis Vuitton, but I was thinking about getting a Chanel, and they had these really pretty pink kind of woven bag. And when my salesperson gave me the information about it, she was like, oh yeah, like we rarely have raffia. And I'm like, raffia? What's raffia? Well, lo and behold, Raffia is everywhere this season. And much like the denim bag, I do not have buyer's remorse about not getting those Chanel bags. It came in a light blue and a light pink. I have so many fabric Chanel bags in pink. I did not need another one. And to be honest, I didn't love the blue. At first, I thought it was a mint, and that I probably would have gotten. But the blue was, I don't know, it was a little boring. So I don't regret not getting that bag. But as I've been seeing all these other lines launch for the summer months, Raffia is everywhere. So I was like, I need a Raffia bag. So I expanded my search on the Real Real to include other brands that I loved. I've told you before that I have mixed feelings about the Marmont bag, but this is one of the occasions where it works. Lo and behold, one of the bags that I fell in love with is this Gucci Marmont Raffia bag with snake skin detailing. What? Raffia and snakeskin together. Now, there is a second style that is currently on the Real Real that I'm thinking about getting. So I may end up with two Raffia Gucci snakeskin bags. But for now, I only have one. So this bag ended up being a no-brainer for me. We'll have another Marmont bag that I've shown you in the past, and I will show you again when I do a comparison. And I do really like this bag. It is a really good size for going out. I love what it holds. It has a structure. It has nice detailing. But when the bag is sort of plain, like a plain leather Marmont bag, someone wrote a really nasty comment that I was like a hater for these. Like I'm obviously just giving my opinion. Everyone loves these bags. They are very popular. But to me, if I were going to get just a plain color Marmont bag, I have Chanel bags that look almost the same. And I would rather use a Chanel in that occasion. Now, yes, I do realize that they are different price points and I might be a snob and all of those things, but this is just about what bags I like and want. Here is another occasion where the Marmont was special because it came in the raffia and with the snakeskin. So you're not going to see this with Chanel. So this was a very, very good occasion to get this bag. I would also scoop up a denim Marmont bag, lickety split. So if anyone sees one, drop me a line and I will be all over it. I'm also in the market for a new Chanel salesperson. So if you know and love someone in the US, let me know about that as well. I've been putting a lot of thought into it. And since she doesn't watch any of my videos, she won't know I'm saying that. Let's open up the strap. Again, this is not how you would get the bag if you were buying it straight from the boutique, but this isn't from the season, so you're not going to get it from the boutique anyway. So a little bit less glamour in the unboxing, but man, you guys, I like this. Well done. I love when I score a deal on the Real Real and I'm instantly head over heels to the bags. There've been plenty of bags where I'm like, oh, I like it, and maybe over time it really grows on me. But when I hit it out of the park and I know I've saved thousands of dollars and I have found something that's not on the market right now, I'm telling you, it's a good feeling. So here's the front. I'm taking out the little foam that they have. It does have the authentication documents. I need a better system for holding on to those. If anyone has a tip for that, I might take you up on that as well. Here we have it. It is raffia with gold hardware, gold detailing, and then gold and white python. And again, this is to me what makes it so much like Chanel, is a chain like Chanel, but again, with this bag, it has the snake skin as part of the strap. This is really cute too. Here's the inside. It has a flower satin lining. I actually have a bag, a Gucci bag that has the same exact pattern. So that's cute. They have a little zip pocket on the inside. Good to throw in a lipstick. You could put cash in there. You have a couple different options. There's also more authentication documents in there. Now, one thing I don't like about this bag, and if I saw this in the store, it might keep me from buying this, is I really don't like this color right here. I hate brown. So this, not a fan. It is counterbalanced by the flowers on the interior. So I am just going to have to turn a blind eye to the interior flap when I open the bag. But the coloring on the outside in the bag in and of itself is a win-win for me. I already have a heads up of what's going to fit in this bag because I have another one of this exact size. It's not a big enough work bag for me. It's also not the type, structure, and shape that I like for my work bags. But this is an excellent daytime bag. It's going to hold enough to get you through a weekend day, a shopping trip, into the evening. I'm saying evening, not nighttime. The Raffia for me is a little too cash for nighttime, but I could see it as a nice segue bag from afternoon to early evening, early casual drinks. It's definitely a good summer bag. I live in Phoenix, so it's summer the majority of the year. I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. Okay, let's start with the big guns. This is the forever big, bulky Gucci sunglass case. We are definitely going to need this because this is going to be a daytime bag. It's also going to be a summer bag. So that fits. And to show you how well shaped this bag is, there is plenty of room even with this giant sunglass case. I recently got some new cute chargers for my phone. So again, this could be a bag that you're taking out all day into late afternoon, evening. So let's make sure that that's going to fit as well. We have wallet, we have lip gloss, and we have a pair of keys. Here is how everything looks, not including my phone. The last thing to slide into my bag is my phone, and that all fits no problem. You can see that there's plenty of room in there to rearrange and play with the space. So if you wanted to put in a compact or any makeup, etc., you could probably even put in another pair of glasses. You have space in there. A few things about the detailing that I like. I love this heart on the back. So cute. The seams and texture. You know I hate a flat leather bag. So 2 thumbs up. This is my other Marmont. I know from having this one, which again is a little bit of the same color family as far as like neutrals, that I get a lot of use out of this. It is a good first date bag. I've said that before. It's kind of that sweet spot of fancy, but not too fancy, not too over the top. Having this bag made me want to get this bag. I don't think it's going to replace it that much when I want to rock the logos with the Balenciaga Gucci collab. This bag will come in. This is a good winter bag here in Phoenix with the leather. And then this bag, even though same style, same color, is a little bit of a different take given the Raffia. I do want to show real quick how it compares to a Chanel. This is the Chanel boy bag in the medium size. You can see that these bags are in the same family. They each have the gold in the front. They're textured in their own signature way. You have the Chanel quilted leather versus the Marmont seams. And then they both have the strap that is part leather as well. So very, very similar bags. And any of the flat bags, flap, F-L-A-P, not flat, are going to be similar to the Marmont as well. So you might want to think about what colors you have in these bags before you buy another one that you just might be using for the exact same thing. So for instance, I know I do not need a regular black Marmont bag. Now, maybe if it was like black with a little bit of fur or something that made it different, that would be an exception. I'm running late to Bravo night, so let me just model this for you all real quick, and then we can all go on with our Friday nights. Here it is, surrounded by dogs and dog beds. It's cute when you're walking and have it hanging like this. This is how I prefer to carry a bag, by the top handle with it hanging down. It's feminine. It is an accessory. It is cute, cute, cute. You have two choices when it comes to the strap. You can double loop it and hold it over your shoulder like so, or you can wear it longer and have it down closer to your waist. I like it double looped. It also will just depend a lot on how tall you are and where it falls. I like where it falls right here, especially if then like you kind of wear it behind you. When I am wearing it long, to me it's like too long. The Chanel bag, this strap is adjustable, so you have a little bit more wiggle room with the length. This isn't doing it for me. It is too long. You could go crossbody with it. I don't like a crossbody bag, but I guess maybe if I was like running through the airport or something. But for me, really, the only true choice is this right here. Here is my new bag. I am totally obsessed with bags. I'm totally obsessed with you. I'm totally obsessed with my dogs, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.